Market town, what a doozy, walking round with all these putrid people everywhere. You've gotta buy this, screams a whiskey stinking vermin vendor holding up a rotten pear. But I hold on to my dollar, looking all around me. In this place I hide my face, but dirty people hound me. Market Street, I could use a bite to eat, but I don't want to buy a whole raw fish. No, no, not a blanket. Yes, it's lovely, but I'm hungry, and that's really not my favorite dish. So I hold on to my moolah, my Mozuma money. There's no trash that's worth my cash, it all just smells too funny. In Market Land, you can buy what's in demand. 15 years ago, wow. In Market Land, the world is in your hand. I'd go wash it off now. Market Lane, either I'm going insane or there's an urchin hawking book reports. Oh, that's a new one. Some old guy with just one eye selling his obviously soiled shorts. But I hold on to my dollar, looking all around me. In this place I hide my face, but dirty people hound me. Market hell, there's no food too old to sell. There is no merchandise too urine stained. You've gotta buy this, scream the whiskey stinking vermin vendors. Well, at least I'm entertained. Still I hold on to my moolah, my Mozuma money. There's no trash that's worth my cash, it all just smells too funny. In Market Land, you can buy what's in demand. 15 years ago, wow. In Market Land, the world is in your hand. I'd go wash it off now.
Gasoline price rose, he'd judge with no pretense. Fish on the weekends, each morning, get up, do the blip to believe. You'll never swim in the ocean for fear of shark attacks. By Monty get his wife a rose with a cord attached, avoiding all the little things that were hard to ask. Had a car crash, cardiac arrest, out of a heart attack. Golden escalator, all his friends and neighbors huddled there in prayer around the respirator. Catch you later, I'm off to see the man upstairs. They all look like ants from here, stars and crystal chandeliers. There was an angel at the entrance, checking off a guest list. Charlie wasn't on it and was ushered to the exits. His heart sank, he was breathless. Excuse me, sir, there must be someone you've confused me for. If I could see someone who knew me or someone in uniform. I go to church on Sunday, truly usually more, screaming at the angels while they pushed him through the door. Excuse me, sir, there must be someone you've confused me for. If I could see someone who knew me or someone in uniform. I go to church on Sunday, truly usually more, screaming at the angels while they pushed him through the door. Abandon all hope, all ye who enter. It was a horrifying sight, but sounded like an adventure. Fall beyond the halos and the castles and the clouds. Fatso squealing, shackled with some apples in their mouth. Attention whores and padded drawers hanging from extension cords, tortured with the products from the favorite catalog. Here we buy and sell a million kinds of hell. Imagination is the limit to the devil's clientele. Up a dingy elevator, no televised debate. The savior saves you from the hell you pay for. Sorry, but they smell you later. Sidestep fate, went right for the gates, but you know the devil, he loves a good chase. There was a demon at the entrance, making X's on a checklist who would kick you in the ass when you begged them for repentance. Those tempted by the senses with the cruelest of intentions. Charlie's heart sank, he was breathless. Excuse me, sir, there must be someone you've confused me for. If I could see someone who knew me or someone in uniform. I really don't belong here, I know you've heard the tune before, screaming at the demons while they pushed them through the door. Excuse me, sir, there must be someone you've confused me for. If I could see someone who knew me or someone in uniform. I really don't belong here, I know you've heard the tune before, screaming at the demons while they pushed them through the door. You can run from your demons until you are exhausted. One day you will have to stop and find out what they want. Keep on running from those demons till you are exhausted. You can run to those angels till you are exhausted. One day you will have to stop and question what they want. Keep on running to those angels till you are exhausted. Excuse me, sir, there must be someone you've confused me for. If I could see someone who knew me or someone in uniform. I really don't belong here, I know you've heard the tune before. Excuse me, sir, there must be someone you've confused me for. If I could see someone who knew me or someone in uniform. I really don't belong here, I know you've heard the tune before.
In my line of darkness, your poison's kind of useless. Old Mr. Corpse is rotting in the room with us. I've been tortured, crawled out of purgatory. Tell me honestly, is there something wrong with me? Up the ante, I'm tired of this new status quo. All the agony stores enough power to know I have done some terrible things in my life. I have done unbearable things. But I don't want to die. Please don't let me die. It's coming from below, they want me, but I know a thing or two when it comes to being killed. It may seem a bit painful, but at least you get to come back again and again and again. May I have your condolences? I know you've heard the tune before. You think it's all outrageous, nevertheless, it's like I never left. What's all the ruckus? Noise is so abundant. You'd think that
mention the shirt. If you ever got the chance to meet him, you'd know why I want to be him. He walks into a room and everyone respects him. He reads the news and doesn't let that shit affect him. He's really happy, he's thrilled to be alive. His name is Any White Guy in 1985. White guy, 1985. White guy, 1985. White guy, 1985. White guy, 1985. He's got a job and a family. How does he do it? Balance his work with his wife's underwhelming cooking. He's got all the answers that I wanna know. How can I be what I am? But 40 years ago, gee whiz, he got it and he vaunts. I am the thing he is, but he is it when I want. I guess it's true that some people really gotta fight to survive, and some people are white guys in 1985. White guy, 1985. White guy, 1985. White guy, 1985. White guy, 1985. Wait. It wasn't easy being any white guy in 1985. Some white guys were living through the AIDS crisis. Some white guys were Italian. And I'm not saying it's hard being a white guy now. I've misspoke. I don't mean to lump a group of people in a hive. I think I just meant my dad in 1985. My dad, 1985. My father, 1985. My dad, 1985. Scott Burnham, 1985. I wanna be my dad. I wanna be my dad in the 80s. My oblivious white dad in the mid-80s. My dad was an oblivious white guy. General contractor was happier than I am. If I could be anybody, dead or alive, I would wanna be my dad in 1985.
They sent you a letter to come back home to play, but to your dismay, this isn't your day. For the happy fun time has begun to fade. Watch as we reanimate our corpses you abandoned or dismantled or mishandled, but we won't be skipped and swayed. Trapped within these walls, you left our souls to drip away. The ink decayed, the walls are bay, but a reckoning has come today. You say Boris has no guts cause you replace it with mechanical stream. We've been tortured, but we move forward. This disorder kills your day. I am alive, immortalized. You're the creator, you traitor. Hey, there's no vaccine to cure the in need. Well, now you must build up a machine. You die tonight. Tonight, build up a machine. You die tonight. Tonight, build up a machine. You die tonight. So you found all the pieces to initiate the pain. Our venom stains, our knife remains, but the ending's always just the same. No gain. Nod your head to the beat of death as you draw your last eternal breath. Sensations of an invasion start to course right through your veins. You say we have no brains, we're just cartoons for your portrayal. To tell some tale by the boat and sail, but sure this inevitably unveils the fail. Splashes of eternal hate will flood the floor and clean your slate. Now we're the tools and you're the fool. Our nightmare dominates. I am alive, immortalized. You're the creator, you traitor. Hey, there's no vaccine to cure the in need. Well, now you must build up a machine. You die tonight. I am alive, immortalized. You're the creator, you traitor. Hey, there's no vaccine to cure the in need. Well, now you must build up a machine. You die tonight. Machine, you die tonight. I'm aware that your soul is now divine. We cast in our toe, even broken chains. So don't toy with us like he did to our shining stars. you come to the end now, alive but dead inside. The heartbeat's loud, you've joined our crowd. We are but punished serpentines. Your life with him was fun, but now the terror's only just begun. Now come with me and you will see we're a newborn cyanide. I am alive, immortalized. You're the creator, you traitor. Hey, there's no vaccine to cure what you need. For now you must build a bomb machine. You die tonight. I am alive, immortalized. You're the creator, you traitor. Hey, there's no vaccine to cure what you need. For now you must build a bomb machine. You die tonight. Tonight, build a bomb machine. You die tonight. They come tonight. Build a bomb machine. You die tonight.
How I thought brass was the height of style. Now it's got something of a steampunk smile, and it's alright. It's alright, it's alright. Sally got a dagger hung from her septum. O'Malley cut his ears off for wishes that he kept them, and it's alright. Rooney got a skull
misbehave. Walking across the hallways, finding notebooks, so we mentor. Follow every single rule, or he'll take out his wooden ruler. For he is listening and watching everyone's progression. All mistakes have consequences, so answer right with every question. Try to add up excuses, nothing will make a difference. Baldy knows every door that we open. Following from behind, we can hear him. There is no place for playtime. Avoid them, move them every side. Better to leave them be. Follow his philosophy. This is how we live our life, searching for the answers inside of every page. And I'm here wondering if one day we'll finally be free from this cage. Is it okay to have a feeling that maybe there is more to this game? However, now just keep behaving. Sweep through the halls to escape. We'll have some sacrifices. No room for jealousy. I've got no time to play hide and seek. 'Cause eventually he'll surely find me. Have to be brave or better keep behaving. Count till I don't know what counts. Every inch of fear is all that's ingrained. Can understand what's the solution. The problem is a mess in my brain. I'm pushed around with all the pressure to be here, and I don't wanna stay. There's gotta be some sort of exit to get away.